I'm alone, and at the end of day, like any fool, we've been the owner to a pretty face. Now time it separates us to a different place. I'd be alright if I could only stop the thinking. And if I'm happy, could you say you are? I'd be lying. And if I said that I'm a man that don't need anyone at all, then I know I was wrong. June until the end of May. There's any rule I've ever had, I've always had to break. I find I sit around